If we are learning web development, the first thing that we ought to know is what is web development? Sounds kind of stupid, I know, as many of you might be aware of it already, but still I'll cover just to be sure that we are on the same page before we start learning it. So as you can see here, as per Wikipedia, web development is the work involved in developing a website for the internet, World Wide Web, or an intranet that is a private network. Internet is basically what you visit when you enter a website on your browser using www. On the other hand, intranet is a private network which is not accessible on World Wide Web, and its access is only limited to certain individuals. Let's say a big company might have its own private network for its employees, so on and so forth. And okay students, so a few of you might be thinking that these kinds of technical definitions are quite boring and this is not what you signed up for. Just bear with me in this section and I promise you that from next section, that is HTML onwards, it's only going to be action. Very less theory and more fun by making things. But let's hold on for some time and get our basics clear in this short introductory session. So coming back to the definition of web development, when you create a website for either internet or intranet, which can be visited by people using a tool like browser, the entire process of building such a website is called web development. I hope that's clear for all of us now. So see you in next chapter.